Makalimutan ko talaga na meron siya. I checked out ng schedule today.
Daddy, we're here na.
So, ganito yung nasa left eye niya, and yung nasa right eye niya, ganito naman. Bayad po! Sabi lang man. Seloso. Masarap daw yung puso ko kahapon. Ay, wala na akong load. Lobat na yung phone ko. Paano tayo uuwi? Today, we're gonna interview Lily. Who do you love most? Amazing. I love that answer.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Ah. Ano yun?
Nangyayari sa mundo. Magalala, meron ding muntik niya na hindi kayanin brain cell hapon. Daming nangyayari.
Oh, go get your shoes.
Mommy, look, I have a face.
Yeah. Ate, you make the bayad. You pay.
May bayad?
Bayad po. Sabi lang man.
Ginaya ni AA.
Ha?
Ginaya ni AA.
Say bayad po.
Mommy, why is the bus going here? The door's open.
Sabi niya, shut the door, please. Say hi. Lily, say hi. Hey, Auntie, say hi. Mama, say hi. Tayo sa Uptown ngayon. Punta kami ng Landers, pero mamaya na. Bili muna tayo ng kape. Kung nakaraang nag-Landers ako, hirap na hirap akong mag-book talaga sa akin kasi babagyo yun. So, nag-abang ako ng taxi dito. Tapos may nakita akong dumaan na white na yung minibus. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, baka pwede ako mag-bus pabalik sa amin. So, that's how I found out na po pwede ka mag-bus mula sa amin, papunta dito sa Landers at saka pabalik. So, it's nice to have that option kapag wala ka mabook na Grab. And I want to parang expose yung mga bata lalo sa AA sa ibang public transpo. That way, malilesen yung kanyang pagiging, seloso. Kasi yun yung term na gusto kong gamitin. Kasi ayaw niya talaga na may kakausap sa akin, may tatabi sa akin. Pag nandun sa minibus, wala naman siyang choice kasi magkakatabi talaga kami. So far, this is his second time na nag-minibus. And so far, wala na siyang complaint, no? Na ganun. Kahit may katabi kami, ganun, wala na siyang complaint. So, for us, yun yung nag-work para kay AA. Yung mga hindi niya gusto, ini-expose namin siya until makasanayan niya. So far, it's good. Dito tayo sa Uptown. AA! Tawid muna tayo. Dito rin banda yung paddle court na gusto namin itry ni Tita Sassy niya. Kahapon, yung ineditan ko sa High Street. Pero the day before that, dito lang. Yung sabay kami umalis sa Sassy. Sabi ko, lalakarin ko pa yung High Street. Doon nalalakad naman yung High Street, malapit lang. Sabi ko, may coffee shop din naman dito nung nag-edit. Ayan, dito kami sa coffee shop. And my Lily pot is makulit. What's your makulit about?
Can I try this mic?
You wanna try the mic? Okay, turn it on.
How do I take it off?
You need to take it off. You can use it as a mic.
Like this?
Yeah, or you can put it on your shirt. All you have to do is to turn it on. Then look, it connects.
Hello.
Not too loud, not too close. Are you gonna sing?
Hello.
Ask Auntie. Put your shoes on.
Hi guys.
So today we're gonna interview Lily. Lily, what is the best part of being in our family?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Caring.
Caring.
It's like also learning a lesson.
Learning a lot. Alright, we're gonna do fill in the blanks. Mommy and Daddy are
Happy.
AA is okay, what makes you happy that Mommy and Daddy do to each other?
Love.
Love. How do mommy and daddy love each other?
Like hugging.
Huh?
Like hugging.
Hugging. What's your favorite?
I know the answer with AA.
What's your okay?
A.
AA is.
Grumpy today.
What's your favorite part about having AA as a brother?
He loves me more than anything.
Who do you love? Who do you love most?
Aiden.
That's amazing. I love that answer. A baby rat.
No, it's not. They have
Like-
white skin.
Like a baby pig.
It's white
Ay.
hair. It's like a lion.
Marami pa yung sa akin na. Alam no more drinking coffee. Hold this one. Grandma said, ang puti-puti daw ni AA. Pero feeling ko, mas kuha niya yung kulay ko. Ayun yan ang punta na tayo ng Landers para sa ating pork chop. So, bibiliin lang natin. Ito lang, ha? May mag-add na naman ako, yun. Pork chop. Suka, toyo, mantika. Suka, may suka, toyo. Meron sa baba? Oo. Ano naman? May sausage. Mantika ang wala. Toyo, kalamansi, mantika, at saka pork chop.
Daddy also made.
Dahil dyan sa pork chop, naging best chef ako. Ako sabi ni Lily, mas masarap daw yung luto ko kahapon kaysa dun sa restaurant.
Gusto ni Lily, nag-marinate si mama ng pork chop kahapon. And then yun yung dinner namin. So nice.
Ano ba kami sikreto?
Ano naman, toyo, kalamansi, bawang, paminta lang. Happy na siya, best chef na daw si grandma niya. Tuntua ako na nakakapag...
Anytime pwede lang umalis. Di ba? Makakailan pa tayo.
Oo, tapos di ka mag-grab, makalakad ka, punta ka ng uptown. Diba? Tapos high street, diba? At saka hindi ka mag-aalala, ay wala na akong load, wala na akong, ayun, lobat na yung phone ko, paano tayo uuwi? May option na. So, ganito na lang kunin yung pang-pansit.
Ay, gusto niyo talaga yung ginawan.
Hindi kasi yung pork chop, ibang ulam. Ito kasi, tsaka ito, pwede sabaw. Di ba ayaw niya magsabaw? Eh, wala naman tayo ibang mapapakain sa kanya.
Kay Lily, kaya
Tapos
ganun
bawal
lang.
kay Lily. Bawal sa kanya ng chicken.
Sige na, dito sila.
No. Bakit? Pasabi. Nagluto. Hello? Conservate. Yaki. Or sa ginagamit ko for curry. Or yung pang pepper lunch. Kung wala tayong corn. Corn.
Yan na yung patong yung tatlo.
Tara na. Gagawin ko si Lily ng parang pepper lunch na rice with beef strips. Kasi nga, lagi niyang bawal eh. Thank you.
Mas mahal yung ball. Hi, Daddy. What were you cooking?
Mommy and AA, we're going to the doctor to get AA's eye check.
No eye check.
Yes.
I'm not eye check. I mean eye toes.
Huh? Aywan ko sa'yo. I completely forgot kung di pa ako minessage yung secretary na okay, 1 hour, see you, parang gano'n. Makalimutan ko talaga na meron siyang eye check-up na schedule today. Doctor.
No, I do not. I.
Thank you.
No,
You see your eyes. The doctor see your eyes. Come on.
no, my dog.
It's okay. It's fun. No more eyes. No more checking your eyes.
We're here now.
You call daddy.
Daddy, we're here now.
Waiting kami ng 30 minutes. Kasi pinataka na yung eyes ni EAA. But based on the machine, mas tumaas yung grado niya sa rat eye compared sa last time. He now have parang -7 point something. But hindi pa yun accurate. Naglagay muna sila ng drops sa mata niya. And then, we'll come back after 30 minutes to check again. Yun yung pinaka-accurate na grado ng kanyang mata. So, papalipas lang kami ng oras. Let's walk back. What's going on? There's a baby crying. Ang kulit niyo. Good afternoon, guys. Hi guys, so dito kami sa High Street. We got home kanina, siguro mga an hour ago, sa bahay after going to his doctor's appointment sa Opta. And yung hindi ko na na-chika sa inyo kung ano yung result ng kanyang check-up. We've got a prescription na glasses para sa kanya, which will take about 2 to 3 days bago namin makuha. Apart from that, he got a new diagnosis sa isa sa mata niya, and it's here. So, sa diagnosis niya today, he's got myelinated retinal nerve fiber layer sa right eye. So, papakita ko dito yung picture nung parang nasa normal na eye, which is left eye niya, ganito yung itsura. Kasi, meron man siyang farsightedness, mababa lang yung grado, parang 1.50. Tapos, yung grade niya, tapos 1.00 para sa astigmatism. Pero yung right eye niya, na may, ulitin ko, basahin. Medyo pagod na ako, pasensya na kayo. Myelinated retinal nerve fiber layer. So, ganito yung nasa left eye niya, and yung nasa right eye niya, ganito naman. So, yung right eye niya, may parang siyang puti-puti, di ba? Na parang fiber. Parang, hindi ko ma-explain eh. Sa nerves nung mata niya. Yeah? You're sitting. You are. Good job sitting. Yeah. Running. You're running. Come here. In-advise kami nung kanyang Opta na ipa-assess AA sa Neuro-Opta, which is a specialist sa, kumbaga, nerves naman sa eyes niya. We got the number, magpapaschedule kami. Medyo, medyo late na yung pagtawag namin. So, wala nang clinic. Bukas na bukas, tatawagan ko yung Neuro-Opta para makapagpa-schedule kami ng assessment naman para sa nerves, sa parang at the back of his eyes, ganyan. Sabi nung Opta na nag-check sa kanya today, parang yun yung nakikita niyang reason why ang bilis mag-progress ng mata ni AA. Kumbaga yung myopia niya sa kanang mata. Sabi niya, regarding to treatment, he'll need to wear glasses at saka patch. So, nag-order na kami ng glasses niya that we will get in 2 to 3 days. And then, yung patch, siguro, bibili na lang kami kapag once na ready na yung kanyang glasses. Let's see. Medyo mataas na yung grado niya. Nasa sa parang 6.50. Negative 6.50. Which is super nearsighted. Malabo na daw talaga. Talaga yun. So, we'll get him the glasses that we need. That's it. Anyway, nandito kami sa High Street kasi as soon as we got home, nagwala siya. He wanted to go outside, which is, nasa-sense ko lang sa kanya na kung ako nga pagod, and I'm an adult, lalo na siya. Grocery shopping, tapos uwi. Pag uwi namin, doon pa lang namin na-realize na wait, meron pala siyang eye doctor appointment, so hindi pa siya nakakapagpahinga. We took him to the doctors, and then when we got home, marami pa siyang gustong gawin, which is he wanted to go to the bookstore, which is sabi ko sa kanya, no, after ng gastos natin today, hindi tayo bibili ng books today. So, ayun, medyo nagwawala siya. So, nagdala na lang kami ng books, and then, hayaan ko sila dito ni Lily mag-play, maglakad-lakad, mag-run. And then, maya-maya, kuha na rin tayo ng sasakyan para maka-uwi. Kasi pagod na pagod talaga ako, as in, I don't know if you can tell sa mga mata ko, pero pagod ako. Parang kanina, when we got home, parang kayang-kaya kong humigat, makatulog sana sa sobrang pagod. Kaya lang talagang hindi siya tumitigil. It's time to go home. Parang, Mommy, it's time to go outside. It's time to go outside. Ganun yung mga sinasabi niya.
Mommy, time to go outside. Mommy, time to go outside.
To stay home?
Yeah.
Stay here lang? Sit down, watch TV?
No.
Sinong makulit? Who's makulit? Who's makulit? Si AA, sobrang kulit, Diyos ko. There he is. There he is.
1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.
For dinner, pansit. Ayan, pansit canton. Come here, Aiden. Pork yung sinahog namin kasi bawal si Lily ng chicken. Lily, AA, come here. Please, Mommy's so tired.
Wow. Morning, Mindy. Wow. I don't want the thin one.
You don't like the thin one. Yeah, that's why I told Grandma. You and AA is the same. You prefer the thick
No.
pancit.
Yeah.
Oh! No!
Stop pretending to
Big
cough.
Big ah. Ano na
Stop
lang.
pretending to cough or you'll actually throw up.
Pancit. Who made the pancit?
Grandma?
Did Grandma vlog?
No.
No!
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Mommy.
Drink water first. Drink water. Yeah? Almost finished now.
Almost finished.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.